Nina, look up there. Do you see that light? I just see the dark sky. We should go back to bed. Wow, a shiny human object. It looks like magic. Don't touch it, Mira. Humans are dangerous. Every day is exactly the same here. I am so tired of this place. But the snacks are great. You should try this green kelp. I want to see the world. I want to walk on land. Okay, I hear you. Stop yelling. Nobody understands me. My life has no purpose. Come on, cheer up. Let's go see the doctor. Ah! Look at that. The big whales are running away from your singing. See? Even the animals think I am terrible. That is it. We are going to the therapy clinic right now. No, let me go. I don't want to talk to anyone. Dr. Octavius is very smart. He will help you figure this out. An old octopus? I really don't think so. Welcome, young ladies. Please sit down and relax. I can't relax. I am so bored with this ocean. Is there anything more interesting out there? Tell me the truth.
Well, there is another world, but it is very dangerous. I went up to the dry land once. I saw strange creatures. They walk on two long legs. They are called humans.
Oh my gosh, what happened to your arm?
A human net caught me. I was lucky to escape alive.
You must stay away from the surface, Mira. The human world will only bring you pain and heartbreak.
Yeah, listen to the doctor. Humans are weird anyway. Do you want some more of these salty snacks? He went to the dry land? That sounds absolutely amazing. I have to go up there. I will figure out a way.
The storm is too strong. We are going down. Somebody help me. I am too rich to die.
I can't swim anymore. This is terrible. Tell my mirror I will always love it.
Come on, heavy human. You need to wake up. I got you. We are almost at the surface. Whew. You are much heavier than you look. But we made it. You are safe now on dry land. Wow, your face is so strange, but kind of beautiful. Is this what all humans look like? You seem so peaceful.
Yes, I am the most handsome man in the kingdom. Bring me another mirror, servant.
Oh no, I hear footsteps. Someone is coming here. Ah! Hey, human, wake up. Open your eyes right now.
Ouch! My beautiful face! Who hit me? Where am I? What is going on?
Oops, I hit him too hard. I have to hide. Hello? Is anyone there? My head really hurts.
Well, look who decided to visit my humble home.
Are you the sea witch? I need your help to go on land.
Magic is never free, my dear. Look at the sign. No refunds. Once we make a deal, you cannot change your mind.
I understand. I just want to have human legs. I will give you anything you want for them. Please.
Anything? Good. I want your beautiful voice. You will be completely mute on land. Do we have a deal? Yes. I agree to the terms. Take my voice. Excellent choice, my dear. Let the magic begin. Power of the deep sea, reshape her song. It is complete now. The voice is within my grasp. Now, give this mermaid the legs she asked for. I hope you like your new body, princess.
Oh my, look at those strong muscles. You said you wanted legs. You never said what kind.
Those legs will definitely help you run fast.
Now go away. Your time here is up.
Remember, if he doesn't kiss you, you will fade into sea foam. Good luck finding someone who will accept your form. Hello? Is anyone there on the beach? I thought I heard a splash near the water. Oh, look over there. Someone is on the beach. What is she doing? She seems to be struggling to stand. Whoa! Did she just jump that high? That is incredible. She moves like a trained athlete. Ouch, that looked like a very hard landing.
Hey! Are you okay over there?
Your legs look really tense. You need to stretch. Muscle cramps are terrible. I get them all the time.
Why are you walking like that? Is that a new exercise? It looks very difficult. You must be very strong. My name is Julian. I am the prince of this land. Who are you? And where are your shoes? Hello? I asked you a question. It is rude not to answer. Wait a minute. Can you speak at all? Oh, I see. You are mute.
You cannot talk.
That is okay. You can just use your hands to explain.
You like to swim?
Yes, the ocean is very nice today.
But what does that have to do with me? I carried you here. Look at these muscles. Wow, look at those muscles. You are very fit. Are you a personal fitness trainer? That makes perfect sense.
Come with me to the palace. There may be a place for you there. We can begin training tomorrow morning. Follow me.
Ah, the garden is beautiful today. The sun is perfect.
But this bench is in the sun. I need some shade right now.
Whoa! How are you holding that giant rock with one hand? Please be careful. Do not drop that on my beautiful head.
Okay, you can put the giant rock down now.
But you asked me to.
You are way too strong for a normal servant.
Oh, Prince Julian, I finally found you in the garden. Your hair looks absolutely amazing today, as always.
Hello, Princess. Thank you. It's lovely to see you. Princess Elara, you look absolutely stunning this morning.
I was so incredibly worried when your ship sank yesterday.
You saved my life? That is so romantic and brave. And you have such normal, delicate legs, too.
Back off, fitness trainer! Do not interrupt us!
I am talking to my future bride now. Go away!
Your hands are so soft, not rough and muscular at all.
Oh, Julian, you always know exactly what to say. We shall have the biggest royal wedding ever. She looks like a gorilla in a dress, doesn't she? Indeed. But she is very useful for lifting heavy things.
Did she just break my historical marble pillar? You should definitely fire her, Julian. She is dangerous.
Mira, look down here in the water. We don't have much time. You need to listen to me. The witch tricked you. He is going to marry someone else. If he doesn't love you by sunrise, you will turn into sea foam. We traded our beautiful long hair to the witch for a solution. You must use this magic artifact to break the bond tonight. Take this glowing crystal. It is the only way. Strike his cursed portrait with it before the sun comes up. Mira, act now. Break the spell so you can return to your true form. Do not hesitate. You still have a choice. He deserves it. He used you as a heavy lifter. Go inside the bedroom now. We are counting on you. Yes, I know. I am perfect. More gold mirrors. Put them everywhere. Don't touch my hair. It took 3 hours.
Fire the servant. Her legs are too scary.
Princess Elara, she understands my greatness. We will rule the kingdom with beauty and style.
Honk, shoo, honk, shoo. Bring me some roasted chicken. I am hungry. Oh yeah, right there. That is the spot. Nobody can see me in the dark anyway. Ah, much better. Good night to me, the best prince ever. Let the maids clean the pillow tomorrow morning.
I am a gift to this world. Everyone should worship me.
Yeah.
H-O-N-K. Shoo!
Yes, Elara, you may kiss my boots now. Just don't ruin the shine.
Who needs personality when you have a face like mine? I am truly a masterpiece.
Oh yeah, scratch that itch right there. H-O-N-K, shoo.
I can't believe this is my life. No more fitness trainers. They ruin my vibe. Only pretty princesses for me.
Chonk, shoo! I admire myself so much.
Yes, prepare another crown tomorrow.
Make sure the portrait looks exactly like me. Capture my perfect jawline.
H-O-N-K. Shoo! My face is a national treasure.
Hey, watch out for the painting. It cost a fortune to make.
Honk! Shoo! Goodbye forever. Lock the door on your way out.
Mira, you are back at the beach. Did you break the spell? Oh no, the sun is coming up. You are running out of time. Mira, look at your hands. They are starting to disappear. You didn't use the crystal on him, did you? Why not? Because he is terrible, isn't he? A complete red flag.
I knew it.
I knew it. Human princes are always the absolute worst.
At least you don't have to carry heavy rocks anymore. And you won't have to shave those terrible legs ever again.
What are you doing? Why are you posing like that? You are so weird, Mira. But I am glad you are free.
Goodbye, my crazy friend. Have a safe journey. I will eat all your leftover snacks for you.
Look at all those colorful bubbles! That is amazing! You always know how to make a spectacular exit. Fly high, Mira. Don't let anyone pull you down. Be free like the wind. Or like a bubble. Watch out, bird. A giant bubble is coming your way. Oh, this is gonna be very funny. Boom! Direct hit right in the face. That is classic Mira. She always leaves a mark. Are you okay, little bird? Do you need a doctor? Yeah. Well, I think it is time for me to go home now. The ocean is much better without humans anyway. I will never forget you, my brave friend.
Maybe one day we will meet again in another life. Until then, keep floating, Mira.
What a wonderfully deep sleep. I feel fantastic. Time to wake up and bless the world with my face. Let's see how handsome I look today in the painting. I am sure it looks perfect. Wait a minute.
No! My beautiful portrait! Who did this to me? Guards! Guards! Someone ruined my perfect forehead!
This is the worst day of my entire life. I want a new portrait immediately. Make it bigger.
And make sure the painter captures my good side this time. Honestly, it is so hard being this perfect.
There are many more magical stories waiting for you. Like and subscribe for more easy English fairy tales. See you in the next story.